HFR F minus conjugation. We know what is F minus cell. An F minus cell which lack F factor or conjugation plasmid in them. So that type of cell, they cannot produce a conjugation tube. Then what is HFR cell? HFR cells, they are similar to F plus cells in the sense they also carry an F factor or F plasmid in them, but the F plasmid is integrated or joined to the main chromosome. When the F plasmid is integrated into the bacterial main chromosome, they are still functional, and this plasmid can direct the synthesis of pilus or conjugation tube, and they carry out rolling circle replication, and they transfer the genetic material to the F minus recipient cell. However, than transferring just itself, that just transferring the copy of F plasmid instead of transferring the copy of F plasmid, here this F factor direct the transfer of host main DNA also. Similar to F plus F minus conjugation, here the plasmid carry an Ori T site. So a nick is generated in the Ori T site, and the nicked strand is transferred into the F minus cell. But here initially only a part of the F plasmid which is integrated into the main bacterial DNA is transferred to the F minus cells. Then after transferring a part of this F factor, it is followed by the transfer of donor chromosome or bacterial main chromosome to which this plasmid is integrated. So if the cells remain connected, the entire chromosomes with the rest of the integrated factor will be transferred into the F minus cells. This complete transfer takes about 100 minutes to accomplish. However, in most of the cases, what happens means the connection, that is the pilus connection between HFR and F minus cells, that usually breaks before this process is finished. So only a part of the F factor or F plasmid integrated into the main bacterial DNA is transferred to the F minus cells. So here in HFR F minus conjugation, the recipient F minus remain as F minus only. Here you can see an F plus cell and an HFR cell. Just look into their difference. In case of F plus cell, there is a main bacterial chromosome. You can see here in blue color, main bacterial chromosome. There it is written proline plus and lactose plus. That means that main chromosomes that carry gene required for the synthesis of proline and genes required for the utilization of lactose. There in the same cell you can see another DNA, circular double-stranded DNA, that is the F factor. So the structure of F factor we have already studied in our previous class. So it contains an origin of transfer, Ori T site, from where actually the rolling circle replication begins. So in the next image, there is an HFR cell. In HFR cell means you can see the blue colored main bacterial chromosome which contain proline plus and lac plus gene. In addition to that, our red colored plasmid which get integrated into the main bacterial chromosome. You can see here. Since the HFR cell carry the integrated F plasmid in them, this F plasmid here, it is also functional. So the F plasmid direct the synthesis of a pilus, that green colored connection. That pilus helps to hold an F minus cells in direct contact with the HFR cells, that allow the transfer of genetic material from HFR cell to F minus cell. Here in that F minus cells, in that main bacterial chromosome, it is some genes it is written as lac minus and proline minus, which means lac minus means they cannot utilize lactose because the gene required to utilize lactose is mutated here. That's why non-functional. That's why it is written lac minus. Similarly, proline biosynthetic gene also not functional or mutated. That's why it is also written as proline negative or minus. Okay. This image shows how the transfer of genetic material from HFR cell to F minus cells takes place. So in that red colored F plasmid in the HFR cell, it contained an ORI-T site, origin of transfer site. So there initially a nick is produced. Probably at the center of this F plasmid, there is an ORI-T site. In that ORI-T site, a single strand nick is produced. Then after producing the single strand nick, we know that in case of our F plus F minus conjugation, they generate a 5' end and a 3' end. So in that by rep a protein which hold this 5' end of cut strand, and it move towards the conjugation tube, and it passes through the tube and it move into the F minus cells. You can see the similar process here. So here in this image you can see that since the cut is or nick is produced at the center of the F plasmid, so only a fragment of F plasmid transferred initially, after which the main bacterial chromosome is start transferring into the F minus cells. So here you can see that already lac plus gene from the HFR main chromosome along with the F plasmid reached into the F minus cell. The conjugation tube remain as such only for a few minutes, so it will break. So the time of breakage of this conjugation tube, it varies. Okay, so here you can see that immediately after the transfer of lac plus gene into the F minus cell, the conjugation tube breaks. So the further transport of the bacterial genome of HFR cell as well as the remaining fragment of F plasmid is not get transferred. Only a portion of F plus plasmid along with the lac plus gene from the HFR cell is transferred into the F minus recipient cell. But here in F minus recipient cell, we know that the gene for lactose metabolization, that is lac gene, it is negative. That means it is mutated. So what happened next means the lac minus genome in the F minus cell, that is the mutated version of lactose metabolizing gene, lac minus genome in the recipient F minus cell, which is replaced by the lac plus genome that is transferred from the HFR cell. So now this lac plus genome, instead of the lac minus genome, lac plus genome integrated into the main bacterial chromosome of the F minus cell. Now the F minus cells got an advantage that initially their lactose metabolizing gene was negative or mutated, but now they have a functional lac plus lactose metabolizing gene that is received from the HFR cell through HFR F minus conjugation. Here the F minus cell remain as F minus, not it is converted into F plus. Why? Because a cell is converted into F plus only when they receive the complete copy of the F plasmid in the F plasmid from the donor cell. But here only a fragment of F plasmid is received by the F minus cells during the time of HFR F minus conjugation. Not completely the F plasmid is transferred into the F minus cell. So it is remain as F minus only. This image also shows an HFR F minus conjugation. But what happens if the conjugation occur for a longer times? So if longer time this conjugation occurred means what happened? From the HFR cell along with the F fragment of F plasmid, the recipient F minus cell also receive along with the lac plus genome, they also receive this proline amino acid genome. So now both lac plus and proline is received by the F minus cells because this conjugation tube remain as such for longer times. That's why they receive this. Along with the lactose, they receive this proline gene also. And we know that in case of F minus recipient cell, both lactose and proline genes were mutated. So, by utilizing this received normal lac plus and proline plus gene, this bacteria repair, F minus cell repair their main chromosome which contain mutated lac minus and proline minus genes in it. So it is replaced with the lac plus and proline plus gene here. So here also the bacteria got the advantage that now they have, because of this HFR F minus conjugation, now they have the normal lac plus and proline plus gene in them.